It's a comment on an education system of India. Certainly a culmination of that. I was reading somewhere that the 8th class student will not fail now. I think it's a very good initiative. I play a teacher who has a different way of teaching, and he wants to open his own school in his own university. The audience is much more educated now. We always make movies for audiences. I run an acting school. I am constantly working with newcomers. I think he's a very passionate director. He understands what he's trying to say. We've done about 204, 206 shows of the play. Yeah, it's a culmination of that. It's certainly a culmination of that. I was reading somewhere that the 8th class student will not fail now. I think it's a very good initiative. We have a lot of suicides by students just before their results. I think a lot has to do with the system, the education way that we have implemented in the last so many years. Admission Open tries to sort of bring forth that point. I have not seen the film, but that's what my character talks about.
क्या आप वो काम कर रहे हो जो आप तहे दिल से करना चाहते हो?
I play a teacher, yes. I play a teacher who has a different way of teaching, and he wants to open his own school in his own university, which does not go along with because in his personal life he goes through a tragedy with his own son, and that makes him discover that sometimes you should let children pursue what they want to pursue. That's the best education.
Creative writer बनना चाहता हूँ.
Corrupt politician.
Cricketer. क्रांतिकारी बनना चाहता हूँ.
I always wanted to be a supermodel.
I need at least 100 students to start a new college.
I think people who take education seriously, and people who do not take education seriously, it's very clear. That's why somebody stands first and somebody stands 87th in the class. But sometimes when I meet younger children or my friends' children or my brother's children, and I see that they're constantly doing homework, they're constantly having some tuition teacher coming in and teaching them. So I feel that it's important to at least bring in this point and put it in front of the audience. At the end of it, it's storytelling. At the end of it, it's an entertaining film. It has to be a film. But section of the film debates about this point.
Dhirubhai Ambani, Bill Gates, Albert Einstein. ये जीनियस लोग कभी कॉलेज गए ही नहीं.
I don't think it's fair on my part to tell you what the film deals with, but it certainly deals with at least my character deals with the theme that the education system in today's India can be faulty and it needs to be reviewed and changed. We have made millions of films about boy meeting the girl. That has not stopped anybody from making a film. So if there are 5-6 films made on the education system of India, I think it's a welcome change. Because the audience is much more educated now. We always make movies for audiences. So earlier the audience wanted a certain kind of cinema. Now they are open to a certain kind of cinema, which is whether it's realistic cinema or whether it's a naturalistic cinema or what happens in life, we project it on screen. So I think it's a different theme which is very exciting to work in. The thought process of it. Look, as an actor, I have done so many varied roles, so it has to be something very, very sensational. But in this, the thought of the main character, of this character, I thought was something which matched with my own thinking. I run an acting school. I am constantly working with newcomers. For me, it's the best thing about learning from them. Their freshness, their new approach is very exciting, and they were very disciplined actors. So I have worked with so many now who are established actors, their first films. So that's all right. Well, I will not be able to comment on the whole film, but I think he's a very passionate director. He understands what he's trying to say, and he has tried to make a good film. Let's hope that the audiences likes it now. I had a release, Badmaash Company, which I believe has done very well, and my work has been appreciated. I have 5-6 films ready now for release, but I think the closest is Mr. Bhatti on Chutti, which is releasing on 2nd of July, and I'm very excited about that. Then there is Lamha. Then there is Chatur Singh 2-star. That's both Sanjay Dutt's film. I have done a film which I have produced also called Hawai Dada. I am waiting for a film like that. I'm also finished film with Dharamji Sani and Bobby called Yamla Pagla Divana. Then there is a film that I've done which is not yet titled with a new director. So there are interesting films coming up. My Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta has already crossed. Yes, it's a popular play. It's my autobiography on stage. It's about my disasters, but basically it's an optimistic play on optimism. Well, it's doing very well. We've done about 204, 206 shows of the play, and it's a story of a small town man, a boy, that's me, who comes to Bombay and tries his luck in movies, works for it and gets it. I think it's one life, so I will continue with that. It's also 2.5 hour play alone on stage, so it's tiring. And now I pushed my possibilities, so I did 2 shows in a day and I managed it. I think I will continue with the play for some time.